Okay guys, so we are gonna make us a green salad to go with our barbecue. And yeah, I have washed off the cucumber. So this is gonna go with our barbecue dinner. You guys, if you hear any noise, that's Carter playing with this little game. So yes, we're gonna chop this on up. I got some eggs that I'm gonna put in here as well. I know this is not necessary because I hope everyone will know how or enjoy salad with a nice barbecue, you guys. I'm not going to put that many tomatoes because my daughter, she don't like for it to be overwhelmed with tomatoes when it comes to salad. So yeah, I'm going to sprinkle a little of my seasoning that I enjoy on this salad. And so we'll be back when the eggs is ready. Okay guys, so we have our eggs here. And we're gonna just chop these on up like so. Now you guys, if you would like to know how to get the perfect peeled egg, let me know. You know, I hear a lot of people say, put it in cold water. And, you know, it'll peel perfectly. And as you see, this egg is hot, okay? You don't have to do all of that. You don't have to take your hands and peel it yourself. I can show you an easy way of doing it, you know. And I know many might say that's not a video worth it. But if one was to ask me, I would say differently. So yeah, this is complete our salad. A little more seasoning, because I don't think it's anything else I'm forgetting. But anywho, it's just gonna go with our dinner, okay? So our next step, because I'm gonna push this aside, is we got some potatoes, you guys. So I'm gonna put me some potatoes on the grill. Yes, we're gonna put up some potatoes on this grill. And so all I'm gonna do with this is, let me get my towel, is I'm gonna poke some holes in this potato like so. And I'm gonna put me some butter. I'm using Imperial spread. Okay, I think it's Imperial, yeah. And we're just going to spread us some butter on here. You know, it's not going to be perfect, but we just want to make sure it's in here. You know, we're just going to make sure it's in here, that's all. And we're just going to wrap this on up, just like so. Because these potatoes is definitely going on the grill. And so we want to lock that flavor on in there, because once it comes out, then we're going to add us our own little seasoning on it. Okay? So I have 3 of them right here. You know, let me put it right here. And we're just gonna poke it, like I said, like so. This butter is gonna help with the skin. And put it in the middle. Fold, fold, wrap in, and we're gonna fold it. And that's pretty much is all I'm gonna do. Make sure you wash your potatoes off, you guys, because that is very important. Because you know these potatoes don't come clean now. There be more grind and dirt on them than a little bit. It don't matter. Let's get that out the way. So now we have these two together, ready for the grill. Now we also have, let me set these aside for you guys. I'm gonna set this butter over here. You guys, we already have our ribs. I already did. So yeah, there go our ribs, nice and seasoned and ready for the grill. So your girl will see you over at the grill. Okay? So yeah, don't go nowhere. Make sure you got your snack. So guys, we're out here and I just want to check on these ribs right quick. Guys, the smoke, oh my goodness. So yes, I just wanted to show you how they were coming along. You guys, these ribs are really coming along. You see my chicken breast? I have to take some and pull it out. And my potatoes. Yes, I was in the mood for some good old ribs, you guys. I don't know exactly what sauce I'm gonna have on them, but we're gonna play it by faith. I don't know if I want to make it homemade or if I just want to use a little open pit. But yeah, those are my ribs. I cut them up in individual pieces, well, at least 2 bones. You know, my family is small. You never know if you have any guests that might come through. So your girl just decided to go ahead and give you this little clip, you guys. Oh, look at the smoke. This is just a picture of my beautiful backyard, you guys. Look how big this backyard is. You guys, oh my God. And just think, my son just opened up a lawn service company. And yeah, he actually does all the cutting and trimming of our bushes and stuff. Just a little sneak peek. So fam, we're back at the grill. You guys, check out the ribs. Let me see, can I get you guys in here a little closer? Yes. Look at that crispiness going on. Now I know you saying to yourself, crispiness. Yes, that's what olive oil do to your ribs, you know. It's just like as if you put it like a, I guess a fry on them, something. I don't know, but check it out. Oh my goodness. Yes, let me see if I can keep you guys. Okay guys, so let me see if I can show you guys a close-up. Look at this rib. Oh my goodness, that's a big piece of meat. And just think, this one rib was $10. Just think. Now, sometimes, you know, like I say, I'm debating if I should put some sauce on here. But we're going to check these potatoes right here. Now, if this fork go through, these potatoes are done, basically. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So we're going to go on here. And I'm going to pull this off, you guys. Oh, yeah. One last look. Because your girl got to put the camera down and go get the bowl. Okay, guys. So we're back. And so now we are going to dress the potatoes. Now, we have pulled these potatoes off the grill. And we're going to go ahead and put them into this plate. Now we also is going to put these potatoes in the microwave as well. But I want I want you guys to see how your girl is going to put these potatoes together. So did I ask everybody, how is you doing today? Oh, look at there. Nice and tender. That's what I'm saying. Look at that. Cut right through. Okay, some bigger than others, but we don't care. Okay? We do not care. So we got us some of this good old imperial spread. And first we're going to fluff it. Oh, yeah. Just like so. Well, some might break on you, depending on how you done did it. But we're going to, either way it goes, it's one potato, and they are going to get 8. Oh, Lord. Y'all, this is a hot mess. But it's our dinner. Like I said, you guys, in the previous videos, I'm not perfect. And by all means, I am not a professional. Okay? So don't get at me. Just giving you guys an idea of how to make you a perfect potato sitting at home. But anywho, put a little more on here. Let's put some butter on these. Now, to be truthful, this is something I really haven't like indulged in, but my daughter, my grandkids, they love it. That's probably why I don't know how to do this really that good, but it's okay. Don't worry about it, y'all. That's my potato right there. Because I'm gonna add me some garlic. I don't think I want to add garlic to all of them. I got to get that off my hands. It don't matter. I'll just add a little. Not too much. Okay. So we're going to add us a little cheese to these potatoes. They're not going to always look your best. But, hey, It's all gonna go down the same way. Now, I am going to sprinkle me a little parsley on this. And we're going to stick this in the microwave. So there you have it, you guys. This is my delicious meal today. I am going to enjoy this and kick back. And I might just do a mukbang. So leave a comment below if you like to see me do this mukbang on these ribs, this chicken, and also the potatoes and the salad. So if you never tried these as a combination for a meal, please do so. And yes, fix your potato up any way you want to and enjoy your good meal. Okay, so I am going to get ready to close this video out, you guys. And yes, let's check on these ribs. Because I know you're saying to yourself, look how tender that is. You guys, you see that? That piece gonna be missing, y'all. Okay? But anywho, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.